This short unit is about the history of evolutionary concepts. To start off with, evolution is genetic change in a population over time. Carolus Linnaeus, who we'll talk about in a future module, invented binomial nomenclature, which we still use today. He also was one of the first to write about the origins and relationships between organisms in the 1700s. Lamarck came up with an interesting idea that has since been proven false. He proposed that organisms acquire traits through their lifetime and then pass these on to their offspring. For instance, this wallaby here might attempt to jump very high or very fast during its lifespan, and if it did manage to jump very high, it would pass that characteristic onto its offspring. And so, while it's easy to confuse this idea with what we actually know and have evidence of with evolution, this is actually not how things work. Another of his ideas was that an individual giraffe in its lifetime could stretch its neck very high in attempting to eat leaves off of trees, and that because it stretched its neck like that, its offspring would end up being born with a very tall neck as well. And that's not simply not how things work. So stay tuned for future modules where we talk about more details about evolution.